Uh, Welcome to Tech Mastery. In the Tech Mastery, so we will also discuss about introduction to Unity game development, building your first game. Maybe it's something you've been thinking about for a while, and you feel like now the time to really go for it. Or maybe you only just started to get into the game development, but you want to start by making something that's yours. Either way, now is a great time to get started, as there are a high amount of resource and available to help you to build your first project. Learning how to use Anti, for example, and how to create certain kind of functionality, while it's not always simple, can sometimes be relatively straightforward if you have an idea of what is that you want to do. An example or a tutorials can probably show you how to do it. A lot of the time, the hardest part of making a game is making a one part of it. It's knowing what the parts will be and how to put them together, and actually starting your project, deciding what you will make and playing how you will make it can sometimes be a bigger challenge than technical obstacles such as learning to code. But don't worry, in this articles I'll show you some useful strategies and techniques that you can use to turn an idea for a game into the real project that you can work on. How to start making your first game. If you're interested in making a game, chances are you will have already tried one of the many Unity tutorials or an example project in another game engines, so that you can learn some of the basics. And that's a great place to start working on smaller projects such as tutorials, personal experiments. Personal experiments or game jams can be a great way to pick up skills, experience, and familiarize yourself with the software you're using. Next, however, moving on from tutorials to a real project of your own can sometimes be a challenge. So how can you do it? How do you actually start making your game? Generally speaking, there are 3 steps to starting your first game. Choose an idea that plays as to your strengths and minimums your weaknesses. Keep your project small and simple. Break it down into bite-sized tasks that you can work on bit by bit. Tasks that you can work on bit by bit when you have the time.